name's Christian Stokel, and I'm here representing Caterpillar Global Paving. I'm here representing and introducing the new B Series Soil Compactor. Caterpillar is here with 10 new models in Europe. That would also include both the CP, the pad foot, and the smooth drum. And this would be also from 10 to 19 metric tons. What we're showing here is our largest of the models, the CS78B, and one of the most significant features of a soil compactor, obviously the result of this machine is to meet a compaction target. And the two most important features behind reaching a target compaction is your static linear load, or your drum weight, and your amplitude. Both of these features have been increased from the current product. The amplitude has been increased from 1.8 to 2.1 millimeters, and the static linear load on every single model has been increased. So that would help the operator drive to the target compaction much more quickly with fewer passes. Along with B Series, we also have standard Eco Mode. What Eco Mode does, to explain it at a high level, it allows the engine to derate the speed depending on the power needed and the application at hand. So for example, you could be at a very uncompacted area of the job site, and it could perhaps even have a large grade, a ditch, an embankment for example, in which case the engine would be at high idle and giving the maximum amount of power to get to the target performance that you need at that particular application. On another circumstance or another application on that same job site, you could be closer to target compaction, maybe even on a flat surface. Therefore, the engine would then reduce speed maybe to 1700 RPM, and therefore only providing the power necessary, burn less fuel, as well as reduce any kind of noise emissions. Along with Eco Mode, there's also automatic idle shutdown. What that means is that for any reason that the operator jumps outside the cab for whatever purpose, the machine would understand that there's been some inactivity for a certain amount of set period of time and would automatically shut the system down again, not unnecessarily burning any fuel. This cab obviously was already a very good cab to begin with in the current product. We brought along some of the features and benefits that the customers and operators really enjoyed. Some of those things are a very comfortable air suspended seat, as well as a world-class heating and air conditioning system. We brought those systems into this cab. We included better visibility. We added more glass to the cab to add that visibility. We've added increased mirrors for visibility, as well as an upgraded light package. Continuing on the theme of the updated cab, what we've done now is we've given the operator a lot more knee and foot room, and we've taken the gauge cluster that used to be around the steering column and we've moved it to an integrated LCD display that is attached to the arm of the rotating seat. The seat rotates 20 degrees to the right, allowing the operator to have better visibility over his shoulder behind the wheel without having to crane his neck. This particular LCD display will give you all the gauges that you used to have in the cluster around the steering column, and it gives you a nice format that you can scroll through and customize any of the different options you'd like to see, whether it be engine speed, fuel capacity, whatever it might be. It also will include the output and the user interface for the compaction measurement technology. Yet another feature that we are introducing now with the B Series Soil Compactor. With B Series was we're able to offer an exclusive compaction measurement technology called machine drive power. Machine drive power gets its calculation based off the energy required to overcome rolling resistance, rather than an accelerometer based system that gets its measurement based on the vibration and the energy transmitted to the ground and the response of the earth. This will give you some added benefits in three main areas. Number one, versatility. The MDP, or machine drive power system, can be used on any on any soil type with any type of a pad, smooth drum or pad foot. Next benefit I'd like to point out on machine drive power is the depth of its measurement. Machine drive power, based on the physics in overcoming rolling resistance, is only measuring, depending on soil type, to about 30 centimeters or a foot deep. This is different than an accelerometer-based system that will measure a meter or 1.5 meters deep, again, depending on soil type. The last benefit that I'd like to point out with machine drive power is the fact that it can get its measurement values with or without the vibration on. These 3 points are all something that accelerometer-based systems have difficulty with. We really believe that machine drive power technology is able to give the least variable indication of soil stiffness and load-bearing capability than any other form of compaction measurement technology on the market today.